In this tutorial, you will learn how to use DXF files in MC1. We will present two ways of preparing the files. The first way is to have all elements in the same file. What we see is a road design containing a lot of different objects. We have wastewater, rainwater, drainage, light poles, electric cables, and an existing gas pipe. We also have the 3D surface for the actual surface itself. As you see in this DXF file, we have elements with 0 height together with 3D elements. In this file, we need to make sure that everything is exploded to single elements without blocks or hatches. Units is in this case meters. All elements that are used for height reference should be in 3D. Color code the lines. Join all the line segments into polylines. Remove all external references. Make sure that all text is plain text. The second way is to divide your data into multiple files. That enables the operator to select or deselect individual files. In this case, we have divided our road into existing gas, road lines, light poles, sewer plan, and the surface model. Currently, MC1 does not support circles, so let me show how to convert a circle into a polyline. We will use the command break. As you see, we still have an arc. To convert that into a polyline, we will use the command pedit. Press Enter to confirm that we want to create a polyline. Press Close. Our circle is now converted to a polyline. We need to do that with all circles for now. Let us see these models in MC1. We will start with the model in multiple files. For this exercise, we will select the road lines and the sewer plan. Press Close to return to Run screen. As you see, we have elements with 0 height. We recommend to always view the DXF files in 2D mode. Text will only be shown in 2D mode. To select a line to work on, tap and hold on the Run screen. For our site reference, we select Follow Height. For our height reference, we will select the line. To select another line, tap and hold on the Run screen and select the other line. To make a height offset, press here. To make a side offset, press here. To navigate your machine to a known point, tap and hold on the Run screen and press Nav Point. Select that point and a purple arrow will guide you to the point. In the main menu of Model Options, we can disable texts. Like this. And we can enable names like this. In the model options, we can also choose our stationing line from any line in the design. If you would like to add a file, press Model Selection, go to the main menu. Select the model and press Close. As you can see, we now also show the light poles. Same procedure to deselect files. To set the avoidance zone, go to the Select Models main menu. Press Avoidance Zones. Select the file. Select the trigger distance and whether it should trigger above, below, or both. Press Close to return to Run Screen. As you see, the entire run screen will be red when entering an avoidance zone. The benefit from dividing the model into individual files is that the operator can select or deselect files as needed. We will move on to show you the DXF file containing the full design. Here the operator cannot deselect anything. We will start in the Select Models by selecting our file and press Close to return to Run Screen. Note, it is a real unique point that we support all elements of a DXF file, including surfaces. As you see, we have our surface, our sewage, drainage, and our cables. One of the benefits of keeping everything in one file is that we can select a line as our site reference and we can make a height offset on our surface. Let us see how that works. In this example, I would like to make a small trench for some cables, 70 centimeters under my finished grade. We will select our site reference by tap and hold in the run screen and select the line. The height reference will stay on the finished grade, which we will offset in -70 centimeters. Thereby we have our direction and our height even though our line is placed with 0 height. That's the real benefit of keeping everything in one file. In Model Options, we can enable triangles so we can visualize the surface. Please note that the DXF file can contain multiple surfaces on top of each other. That's it. You have learned how to use DXF files in MC1.